Ex-PBOC chief warns of stablecoin crisis. Run risk echoes Terra USD's 2022 meltdown. Regulation. Stablecoin. Industry debate grows over whether issuance limits or market mechanics pose a greater threat to stablecoin stability. Author. Hongji Feng. Author. Hongji Feng. About author. Hongji is a reporter who covers crypto, finance, and tech. He graduated from Northwestern University's Medill School of Journalism with a bachelor's and a master's. He has previously interned at HTX. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. August 27, 2025. Key takeaways. Zhou Xiaochuan warns that full reserve stablecoins can still amplify systemic risk through leverage and trading channels. The Hong Kong and U.S. frameworks have begun addressing custody and issuance, but Zhou calls the current oversight insufficient. A new study suggests stablecoins face a 1 in 3 chance of collapse over the next decade due to crisis-induced arbitrage failures. Former People's Bank of China Governor Zhou Xiaochuan warned that stablecoin issuers may pursue aggressive expansion without understanding the systemic risks involved, including amplification effects that go beyond stated reserves. In a speech delivered at the International Capital Market Association, ICMA, annual conference in Frankfurt and later, compiled by the China Finance 40 Forum, CF40, Zhou said issuers often lack sufficient self-discipline, adding that stablecoins generate a money multiplier effect through their operation, overissuance and high leverage. He cautioned that even with full reserve backing, stablecoins can amplify risk through deposit lending, collateralized financing, and asset trading. The potential redemption pressure may be multiples of the initial reserves, he said. Zhou also criticized inadequate reserve custody standards, citing Facebook's early plans to self-custody Libra assets as an example of flawed design. He argued that reserves should be held by a central bank or a recognized custodian under central bank supervision. The Hong Kong Stablecoin Ordinance and the U.S. Genius Act address some of these concerns, but Zhou said regulatory gaps persist. He recommended compiling actual circulation data to estimate redemption risks, calling current oversight frameworks far from sufficient. He referenced Hong Kong's note-issuing model, where banks post U.S. dollars with the monetary authority to issue local currency, noting that M0 reserves alone cannot maintain stability under redemption pressure from M1 and M2. Zhou urged regulators to develop more robust tools to track amplification channels and prevent misuse of stablecoins in leveraged or speculative activity. Run risk paradox of stablecoin. Terra USD's May 2022 collapse illustrates the mechanism Zhou flags. Once the peg slipped, the mint-burn arbitrage with Luna accelerated supply inflation and drained market liquidity, catalyzing a run. New York Fed researchers note that between May 1 and May 16, 2022, stablecoins' market capitalization fell by $25.63 billion. Evidence of amplification channels overwhelming reserves during stress. Recent analysis published by Investopedia paints a different picture, shifting attention from issuance mechanics to crisis-driven vulnerabilities in stablecoin design. Researchers identified a run-risk paradox, where arbitrage mechanisms that support stablecoin pegs under normal conditions can accelerate collapse during market stress. They found that even with decentralized arbitrage, systemic fragility remains elevated. Annualized risk estimates for stablecoins range from 3.3% to 3.9%, higher than FDIC-insured deposits. Over a decade, the study suggests there is roughly a 1 in 3 chance of a major stablecoin crisis. This perspective argues that stability tools like market arbitrage may themselves become sources of systemic strain, spotlighting potential design flaws in how stablecoin models handle extreme events, rather than just issuance controls or reserve policies. Frequently asked questions, FAQs. How can amplification risks affect non-issuers in the crypto ecosystem? Leverage and multiplier effects can extend beyond issuers to exchanges, traders, and DeFi platforms, potentially triggering broader liquidity disruptions if redemptions spike. Why is arbitrage seen as both a stabilizer and a risk factor? Under normal conditions, arbitrage helps maintain price pegs. In volatile markets, it can accelerate instability by enabling fast, large-volume exits that drain liquidity. Are regulators focusing too narrowly on issuance volume? Some researchers suggest that more attention should go to market design, redemption incentives, and arbitrage feedback loops, especially during volatility or cross-platform liquidity shifts. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. City executive warns stablecoin interest payments could drain bank deposits like the 1980s crisis. XRP price prediction. Massive MasterCard deal goes live. Rally to $10 begins now. XRP price prediction. Whales by $758 million in 8 days. $10 XRP run now officially underway. Press releases. XRP MasterCard launches today. Gemini supports soul mining XRP contracts to unlock daily opportunities. Price analysis. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Shiba Inu and Chainlink by the end of 2025. 1 day ago, by Ahmed Balaha. Price analysis. ChatGPT predicts the price of XRP, Cardano and Dogecoin by the end of 2025. 8 hours ago, by Ahmed Balaha. Best crypto to buy now in August 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 12 hours ago, by Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in August 2025. Top new crypto coins. 1 day ago, by Inesis Tavares. 12 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 12 hours ago, by Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in August 2025. 1 day ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 15 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 12 hours ago, by Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 6 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. Just now, by Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. July 5, 2025, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? April 2, 2025, by Ben Beto.